Haga Kren jong Myntri Rangbah Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma Shakilat Pathai khubor Negasni Halorga Kamti Uranium Hadom Yasiat Hawes Khazhils Ulong Bang Sorkar Langbah jong Kumu Myntri Rangbah Kajukran Shai wa Kamkwa Banti Yau Uranium Napoh Jylla Meghalaya Kabalong Jingkwa jong Gipajba Kapaga Sorkar Jylla Kala Debru Ban Pensyai Syaka Sorkar Pdiang Ulong Ru Ba Omdei Tang Uranium Henry Sorkar Kashim ya Shipun Teligisin Jam ki belong ki Jing Angnut jong point ba na kabenta ka bit kabiang jong Jylla baro kawai.
I have made it very clear in all my press conferences and questions when I've been asked about this, and even I think as close as 2025, I remember I made a statement on this, and I've been very clear that we are not in favor of uranium mining. We're very, very clear about that, and we've made it clear to Government of India also. We've made it very clear to the people also. And it's not just about uranium mining. If you look at all the decisions we have taken, especially decisions that impact the people at large, we've been very clear that we will work and do things in line with what is best, in the best interest of our people. Whether you talk of railways, we are maybe the only state that today does not have a railway connection to the major capital, or the capital city, or to the major regions of the state. And it's a big challenge, but we don't bulldoze. We are very clear that we must take people into confidence when we move forward in these aspects. So that has been the principle with which we follow. We believe in creating consensus. We believe in ensuring that we are sharing everything with the people. And uranium mining has been something that we have all been concerned about. I've made my point very clear that we are not at all in favor of uranium mining. And this is an issue that has come multiple times to us, and we've rejected it multiple times. So I think this is an issue that need not be explained in a manner in which that to make the people confused that government is in favor of it. We are not. I've been made very, very clear. Regarding movement of people coming in and going out, there is something that is, if any knowledge has comes to my office, if you inform me, then obviously we'll take action. I don't have any specific, written tour or anything like that of anybody coming in. I mean, I can check if they did come in or not, but as far as my information goes, I have not been informed about that. But since you have told me right now that there is reports that there were some movements, I will find out, and accordingly we will take steps in that also.
So will government consider passing a resolution on this issue?
I think the government, as Chief Minister, my statement is the most important. I have made my statement very clear that the government will not allow this. I think that's where we are right now. And we will examine the need for a resolution if it has to be. But I think the fact that Chief Minister has made the stand of the government clear, I think that word should count. Thank you.